What's up, everybody? We're gonna do Rare Collectors is gonna drop the April 17th, and we got a first look at it. Let her rip, tater chip. So it's supposed to come with five card packs, all foils. Let's go. This is supposed to be the one with the Rarity collection number 5 is supposed to have the full arts. Let's see. Ooh, cool cards off the... Ooh, Diviner of the Herald. That's pretty cool. For mine, people that have already ripped, let me know what you think. And after I rip, let me know what you think of these cards. Cause I think these are pretty cool. Yo, old school Trap Dust Shoe, Rocket Tracer, DD Marksman Tail. Yo. Why does it look so flossy? Let me know in the comments, chat. It looks different from a lot of them. Called by the Grave, Sacred Fire King, Branded in High Spirits, Infinity, Captured Unicorn, two more packs to go. Vanished Soul, Raisin, Castria, Diviner of the Herald, like the regular one in this, Chaos Angel. That pretty sweet. Hopefully we get a full art in this one. Last pack magic. Neo Space and Aqua Dolphin in that like Japanese style. I like that. Sacred Dragon, Dragon Tail, Ancient Gear Fusion, Dogmata Nation. No full art, but we got some cool ones. Let me know in the comment chat of any pulls you get when you get this. Remember, be kind, happy collecting.